Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Christmas with Crystal. Today I'm going to take you along a little journey with me. I've been invited by a credit union to host a booth at their annual children's Christmas party, and they've asked me to provide a card making table for 200 children. So they want 200 cards of two different designs. The designs that the credit union chose are these two designs. So they want the Santa's shirt and belt card and the Frosty the Snowman card. You would have seen already that I created huge versions of these cards in order to put on display for the children so they can see what they're creating. Children, there's a lot, children are visual leaders, a lot of them are. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to create the 200 card packs for the kids, and I'm going to take you along a journey with me to show you exactly how I'll be doing that, in case it's something that you'll want to see or something that you'll ever have to do. It's just a good idea of how to do it, I think. So good morning, and let's get started. I feel like an elf. It's so cute. Hi guys, so you would see at the beginning of every single one of my card making videos that there's always a couple sheets of paper here. I've been prepping exactly that for these cards, and before I start creating the card packs, let me show you exactly the parts for each card, and I have it all in my little bin here. That's an amazing way to keep everything together. So I'm going to show you the parts for this card and the parts for this card. Let's just put them like this so you can see them. This is all the things you need for this card. All right, I would leave the measurements in the description box for you in case you want to try it. So big circle, little circle, hat, eyes, nose, mouth, and don't think we forgot the scarf. Instead of getting just one type of ribbon, I got a whole bunch of different ribbon. I got some vintage ribbon saying Merry Christmas. I got some reindeer, jingle bells, snowflakes, some blue ones. Maybe I'll put the ribbon on the snowman, right? So you can see that it's there. Now for the Santa shirt and belt card, I have gotten, this is the base card, so there are 100 of these. So I'll just rest it here. There's 100 of this white, 100 black, 100 cutouts for his belt. I have 100 of these little tiny pieces for the belt buckle, and I have actual buttons here. This is very cute. Let's get to making these card packs. Okay, so I'm at my kitchen table now, me and Mr. Frosty Barnes, and I'm gonna use the table here to set up everything. I have all my pots packed back in here. All I'm going to do is show you how I lay everything out and build the card to put in the different packs in order to present them to the children. So when a child comes, my idea is when a child comes to the booth or the table, I give them a base card, a card pack, and then I help them through folding the card, giving them glue. 10 little tiny bottles of glue, and making everything together. And I am going to show you when I go there, I'll record it so that you can see the children creating, which is what is going to be like my favorite part of this whole thing. I mean, this is my favorite part of the lunch. Great, let's get to crafting. So as you can see, I have all of my 100 card bases, including this little section down here. Now I'm going to add the other aspects on top of them, and then we're going to pack all the card packs. Let me show you what I got to pack the card packs in. So cute. I got these little cute baggies. So this is for the Santa shirt and belt, and this is for a snowman. Let's get this party started. And that's 200 buttons. I am not going to put his belt buckle because this piece of paper is just too tiny and I'm worried that it gets stuck up in the bag. So I'm going to keep this to distribute once someone is doing the craft. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a Ziploc baggie so that we don't lose any of the pieces because the pieces are so tiny and I have to fly into Tobago. Of course this happens. We had a little craft emergency, guys. I'm just going to pick these up. So we have 100 pieces for the belt buckle here. One of the reasons I selected a size bag, because if you look at the final design for the card, it fits perfectly in the bag. So once they take the bag, empty it, do their craft, then they could go away with the bag. It's cute, right? Yeah. So let's open everything together. So we have 100 card packs here, 100 base cards, and this is for the Santa card. Let's do the snowman. So we have 100 snowman, and I have a whole bunch of extra just in case. I'm also going to take the noses, and this time we're going to try not to spill. Put it in a baggie. Also, this could definitely get stuck in the corner of the bag, so all of the little tiny circles for a smile. Okay, I'm done. So I have 100 snowmen. I'm going to put the googly eyes in a bag as well. Right. The ribbon, the nose, and the smile. And I also have they wanted the snowman on a base card. So I have a base card as well. So there's a base card. Because this base card is so dark, I made an inner layer so they could write whatever, the kids could write whatever they wanted to their family. So this is the pack for the snowman. This is the pack for the Santa's shirt and belt. I have the giant cards for display. And I have a little baggie or pack here where I have glue, extra googly eyes. I'm working with extra parts for the snowman's body, Santa's shirt, his belt, just extra pieces in case anyone soils their piece, because it's little kids that we may be dealing with. And we are ready. So the next time you'll see me, I'll be flying to Tobago to host this table. I'm very excited. We'll see how it goes. My timestamp on the video now is 1 minute and 22 seconds. Oh. The timestamp on the video is 1 hour and 22 minutes. So that's how long it took me to pack everything up. That's no time.